Lastly, I just want to say something. Ndikungona on streets of Facebook, people are fighting. I've never really talked about Anonzani, the late Moana. I never really talked about it. I never really wanted to be interfering in issues. But one changondirwadza chandoda ngotaura before I go back to sleep. Andizika kana pane hama or Moana from the dad side, from the mom side. Listen, murandakadzi mwanasikana akashaya akatisiya. And honestly speaking, his spirit needs to rest. Besides all the differences that you guys have as a family, Moana has to rest. Why not set aside my differences? Do you know, sometimes Begi Pakambo circulate my pictures at Tt na baba wake. She was saying, she was vowing that she would never talk to the baby dad because I was hurt. Listen, we all get hurt, we all get bitter. But at the end of the day, the reason why I forgave my ex, no matter how bitter I was, is because ndakafunga kuti alright, ndikarambidza mwana kuti aone baba vake, besides zvavakanditira kana vakandita rafu kana vakandita chini. Ko mangwana, no situation yekuti mangwana akafa, you will fight. You need to make peace, not for you, for the mwana. Izvozvo zvakakosha mufunge. Even here kana kune vanhu vari separate from the baby dads, I'm not saying go back, I'm not saying reconcile, but I'm saying make peace. Kungoti zvinhu zvifambe. Mwana iye anoda kuzorora mufunge. Kana muripo makanditeerera, handizi tete venyu, handizi counselor, but I just thought, you know what, this is becoming too much and too stressful, and it's draining everybody. The more mazuva ari kuwedzerwa, the more mari iri kubuda. The more mazuva ari kuwedzerwa, the more mafight ari kubuda. Why not come together as a family? Ngoti sha ini ndakakumaka, I hate you, but let's bury our kid in peace. Mwana notodo. Inini chaya was very bitter about my ex-husband. Very bitter. But there is one day that he called me. I don't even know from where. Then I said, you know what? You need to come and see your child. And it's been a while on the single morning, my ex-husband. I never wanted to see him because we had serious issues, and the way we went our separate ways was so painful. Listen, I don't want to see you. But I forgave him. Not like I reconciled or anything, because there's nothing that I want from him. I'm getting married and he's got a life. But I did it for the sake of mwana mangwana. In the Joshua, the mangwana no gonna tell us, panofiwa kazhinji ndo panonetsa. We can refuse now, vana vedu vari vapenyu vachitamba vachigalivhanda uchirambira nemwana, but pakufapa ndo paunozoona zvese izvozvizvi. And the more we do that, the more the dirty laundry comes out. Auchaziye kuti who is who. Auchaziye kuti ari right ne ari wrong there. Saka it's better kuti tingo cover our dirty laundries. Totongoviga mwana. Tinogona kuramba navo vana tinojambuka sanike isusu masingle mother tinojambuka nevana zvekuti boss baba vacho vanenge vari mboko. Vasingachengete mwana vasingaite sei. You understand what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, we need to just come together, because pakakoshesesa ndepanofa mwana. You understand? Pakakoshesesa ndepanoshaya vana. Mwana ndo pamunoti sure both parents are important as long as they are alive. Iyo itori lesson. Itori lesson yandakatodzidza inini nekuti sure pakafiwa zviya zvekuti anzi atitaudzani, atiite sei, both parents will be needed there. Especially kana mwana achitori neseneme kwababa vake. Saka I just think that you guys, you need to be at peace. Just for the sake yekuviga mwana. Chete. Kana matopedza, mobva maita separate ways. Those are nango ya uti nditaure nemi, guys. I missed you so much. But like I said, mazono andichabvumidzo kuya pa Facebook for a long time. Ndikunzwa kuti tone down. Ipa papa izvo zvipanenge pantori nemamwe ma-indos anenge aripo. Anenge achingoti kamukadzi kaya kauya zvakare. Saka I am there and I'm preparing for Oga. Oga is coming. And it's so funny because some people were going in his inbox saying a lot of stuff. There is nothing that Oga doesn't know about me at all. Oga knows everything. All these things that people go and tell him, he knows. In the open book, and I was married twice, Oga. and ogam HIV, he knows all that. So this information that you take and give him and say, she's not the right woman. Listen, your poison is someone else's meat. That dude will never leave me for stories. He would rather leave me for something chabat. Kwete chanzwa. Do murume, this time do murume wandakapiwa manje. Aterere zvanzwa, anoita zvaona. Saka it's a waste of time. And handimbooni reason yokuti munoenda kunomuudza kuti hanzi siyana nemukadzi uyu aite, or how much you will spread my exes on Facebook. It won't change. All of us, we've got exes. It won't change anything. Some of you guys, you even had 10 exes. Some of you had 20 exes. Saka, there's nothing special about having 3 exes or 4 exes in your life. It's life. Zvinenge zvaramba kana bhazi raponja, buruka ukwire rimwe. Kana raponja, buruka ukwire rimwe. Kana wazowana permanent zupuwo wochigadzikana sezvandaita izvi. Kana ndawana permanent zupuwo rangu ndisei ndigadzikane. Musandiudzire kuti zvazodika zvazodii. We don't live in the past. We live in the future. If you knew me way back, let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Mrs. Obina, for Obina, and nothing will change that. Nyango wakauya nedictionary remafaira, achichinje, chintaulila. Azvina zvazvinotombochinja izvozvo. So I love you guys. Have a great Friday. I'm going back to rest. Anditika, tinobatana. Don't worry about me. What I can just tell you as fans or as people or to a few people who really care about me is keep praying for me, and I'll also pray for you. You understand? Keep praying for me, because vavengi vachona vatuta vachitowedzera. You know, vanhu vanohotspotana kuvenga munhu. But manje Mwari kana asati aisa full stop, vanenge vachingoisa makoma vachikontinue. But kana Mwari asati ada, hapana chinoitika. So let's keep praying for each other. Let's spread love, not hate.